far, I just can't see. You're so far away from me. You're so far from me. I'm tired of being in love and being all alone when you're so far away from me. I'm tired of making out on the telephone 'cause you're so far away from me. You're so far away from me. You're so far, I just can't see. You're so far away from me. You're so far away from me.
Well, what you guys just heard were high quality Super Audio CD soundtracks playing through these two speakers. And I'm hoping that with high quality material that the differences can be heard much better versus the free music that I had on YouTube. Sadly, I couldn't include these in the original video because I would have been demonetized. So if you guys heard a difference between these two, let me know what you think and comment on the original video.